Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make drum and bass in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can get started with opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started making a drum and bass track in GarageBand. The first thing we can take a look at right here guys is in the upper corner where we can take a look at the tracks and the live loops. So let's go ahead and open up the live loops. As you can see here, we can go ahead and find all the live loops that we have already pre-created by Apple. As you can see, one of them is EDM, we have the dubstep option and so on, R&B, and if you scroll we can find even more options such as beat mesh and so on. And you can even go ahead and create a new one or take a look at the sound library right here where you can manage the packs and so on. So one of the options is to find the pack you want to use right here. Here are a lot of good options for drum and bass that you can take a look at. They are going to enable you to get started with making your desired track to sound how you wanted it. There are a lot of artists that have already pre-made them, so you can find what you're looking for right here. But if you want to go ahead and get started with making yourself, well, you're going to go ahead and use the drum and bass options and all the instruments that you can find right here. So you can see we have the drums, keyboard and so on. So what you can do is get started with selecting and creating your track by clicking one of the instruments and getting started. You can add multiple instruments, as many as you want. As you can see at the top of the screen, we have the recording button, which is the big red circle, which is going to let you enable to start a recording. You can get started playing, and after that go into the upper left corner right here, click on the button that's going to open up this new mixing mode, and in the mixing mode we can find all the options that we have for our tracks, and we can take a look at everything that we need regarding the tracks to get started with making our desired song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.